Værsgo.
Dear board members and dear directors board, welcome to Sticks and Sushi at Henrietta Street. We are located very close to Covent Garden. That's our neighbor. And Björn and I will give you a little guided tour into our new place at Covent Garden. Come on in. I have to wear my hat. You don't believe it, but this should actually be a restaurant within the next 6 weeks. Here's an entrance from, again, Henrietta Street. We want to show you a little bit later. Here's all the staircases down. And Björn, if you can follow me here. We have cut up the whole basement and the ground floor. So we have a lot of staircases all the way down here. When we are finished, we will have this part of the whole railing system that goes from here all the way down to the basement. Come on, I want to show you the other entrance. Hello again. Here we are at the other street, at the Maiden Lane, the other entrance at Sticks and Sushi. Beside us we got Rules. It's the eldest restaurant in London actually, and we are the newest one. Come on, please join me. Okay, right here we have the roof light above us. One of the roof lights. We found 2 roof lights in the building when we killed the onion. Here, just in front of us, we will have the Rome and Julia table, the big table. I will explain you a little bit later. Here we will have a lot of tables for 2 persons. And actually, exactly where Alan is situated, the bar will start. The bar is actually maybe... And the barman is here. Yeah. We are half drunk. Actually, this is the second roof bar we found. And actually, the bar started, as I told you, here. It goes all the way down the steps. And actually, close to Maiden Lane. It's 12-meter long bar. If I want to show you a little funny thing we found also when we killed the onion. 5 different chimneys. We found the chimneys around where now the staircases are, the ones that I told you a little earlier about. We keep, or we will restore some of the things from the old building, some of the ceiling. If you follow me all the way down to Maiden Lane, I will show you what is happening. Oh, a little thing also, of course, all the tubes for the ventilation and so on. Let's go all the way up above the whole roof. We'll tackle this one in. If you see the walls, we try to restore the walls. Some of them are not that pretty, but it will give a very, very nice environment to keep this. But please follow me. And this is Maiden Lane, the entrance. Actually here you can go in and sit and eat here and see the bar. And you can go downstairs. Mostly this route down the staircase here is for food delivery, for things that has to go to the kitchen in general. And when we go into this area, we are actually at the back area of the restaurant. This is the area that we really love. We have the freezer, locked, of course. We don't have any fish here yet. The cooler is opposite freezer and cooler. Here we have a little office where Andreas and Rebecca can sit. The office, and we have the rack with all the CCTV videos in general, music, alarms, and so on here. If you go in here, we have a little area where the staff can be, sit and relax. We have down here, we have the toilets for the staff. And when we turn right, we have a little storage area, and of course the whole area for all the waste and so on. We actually always also have the possibility to get some of the waste up that way. Garbage, whatever. And when we go from this end, this area, we go into the heart of the restaurant, and that's the kitchen area. Here we have the area where people can go down, our guests can go down, those stairs. Actually, we are just above, close to Maiden Lane here. If you go in here, we have the dishwashing area. Beautiful space, beautiful drainage, and a little prep area where you can stand and make your chicken skewers and so on. That's this area. And you have, the logistic is very good. You can go up. Actually, we call it upstairs and downstairs. If you see here, we have the whole long kitchen. This area is the hot area of the kitchen. Here you have the guy standing and do the grill. In this restaurant, we have a huge area, and we have actually 2 grills here. We have 2 robotic grills, one for a lot of different stuff, lamps and so on, and a little yakitori grill here. And Björn, if you turn around, you can see the very, very beautiful staircases. And as I told you, you have to look. These staircases goes as a heartbeat all the way down and all the way up. And the railing you saw before will go from upstairs in the ground floor all the way down here. And behind this one, you have all the storage. And actually here, in here we have beside the grills, we have an area where the chefs can stand and do a lot of food. And if you turn around, the food delivery, that means where the guys from the guild is placing their food. And at the other side here, you have the sushi area. Here's all the girls and the guys standing. You have to take care because they are actually painting the floor. Here you have the sushi grill, sushi counters all the way down and all the way around, where you can stand and do a lot of sushi work. And at the other side, where the guys are standing close to, you can sit all the way around at the long sushi bar. At bar stools, where you sit high, and if you turn around, down there where we have the grill area, it's lower seating. So it's really an open kitchen. And if you look up, normally, we have closed it down now at the ground floor, but normally the roof light will go all the way down, and we will really combine the ground floor and the basement. It has been a little expensive to do this staircases, but at the same time, we think that people, our guests, will really use this basement as a part of the whole restaurant. Down here you can see that we will keep the walls as they are. Just give them a little glazing so they don't spoil your clothes. And again we have a chimney. It's a really old building we have bought here. And if you go further out there, you have a little wardrobe and a storage. And down that lane we have the toilet for women and men. And that's actually the whole area. Still see you. I'll call you tomorrow. Okay. Perfect. See you. Cheers. So that's actually Sticks and Sushi in Covent Garden. And dear board member, wherever you want to come from Maiden Lane, the more rock and roll part of Covent Garden, or you can also choose Henrietta Street, because we have 2 entrances and we will welcome you more than you will ever think. Welcome.